children.
Hello, dear explorers in the Knowledge Park. Have you ever wondered why so many places on the internet ask us to create an account? It is like a special key that opens the door to amazing possibilities. But how do you get it and use it safely? I invite everyone to discover together the secrets of user registration. At the playground, I met Sparrow and Rat, who had very interesting ideas about what registration is. Sparrow chirped excitedly that registration is like a singing contest with a computer. According to him, you have to sing a special secret melody into a microphone, and if the computer thinks it is pretty enough, it will reward you by opening access to the website. Rat, on the other hand, giggled that it is more like going through a maze. He claimed that a complicated maze appears on the screen, and the task is to guide a virtual piece of cheese to the exit, avoiding all the traps. I smiled when I heard their ideas and explained to them that, although their theories were very creative, registration does not require musical talent or skill at mazes, but is simply about creating your own private and safe place on the internet. By the pond, I met Cat and Bee. Cat shared that when he registered in an online toy store, he made up a very long and complicated password so that no one else could get into his account and buy things for him. Bee added that in her hive, everyone registered in a special work planning program, so each bee knows exactly which flowers to visit and when. This makes collecting nectar much easier. I agreed with them, summing up that registration helps protect our data and organize group activities better. In the picnic corner, I met Frog and Guinea Pig. I decided to check what they knew about user registration. Frog explained that registration is a process where we fill out a form on a website, giving a unique username and password, and often also an email address for confirmation. Guinea Pig added that after sending the form, the computer system creates a special individual account for us and saves our data in a safe place so it can recognize us when we return to the website. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that registration is a key process for creating our digital identity in a safe way. Curious explorers, today we learned what user registration is. We understood that it is our digital key to many services on the internet, which allows us to personalize and use the web safely. Remember to always take care of your data and create strong passwords. Thank you for learning together with me, and see you on the next adventures in the Knowledge Park.